Know your limitations because you can get out of a situation that you get yourself into. I work in IT and I've been doing it for quite some time. When I started in IT and I had to learn the hard way because there was no one above me in skill set, if I did something and I broke something, I had to fix it. Our help desk people today, they have people they can escalate to. And they break something or they're dealing with a problem, all they have to do is escalate it to me, and then they don't have to find out how I fixed it. But if you know your limitations, you go, okay, I've never done this before, or I've done this before and it's ended poorly. I'm very cautious about how I approach a situation because I don't want to get into something that I can't fix or that is going to cause other people problems and is going to blow back on me. Know your limitations so you don't get into something you can't handle or you can't get out of on your own.